Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I have this really awesome glowing Christmas lights set that I'll be showing you how to do today. There are some items that you would definitely need for this, but they are not hard to find, and I'll put in the description box where you can get them. So we're coming right directly in with our Bioseaweed gels Evergreen. Now what I'm wearing is Appraise Gel X nails, so they are made out of gel, therefore they do not require a base coat. Some people do like to put a base, but if they say they don't need it, I'm not putting it. So I just buffed off the shine and then I went directly in with the green, and then now I'm applying a matte top coat over that. Now the reason I started with green is just because I wanted to add some depth into the design. You really don't have to do that. You can just come right in with the black. I am using Akzentz Gel Play Line It Black. This is their newer version of this, therefore it does not cure with a tacky layer, so it does not require a top coat on top of it, which is absolutely wonderful for this design. And I am just painting the black right over top of the green. Try to do it so that you can still see some of the green underneath, or else there would have really been no point in doing the green part. Now I'm going to outline the bulbs. You don't have to do this. I just find that it really makes the bulbs pop once you add the color and once you get them to glow. This is, this is a choice. You don't have to do this, but I find it really helps with the design. And you really don't have to worry about being too thick here with the black because you are going to be coloring them in. So if you do find you're a little bit too thick, just color a little bit over it when you come in with the color. So the first color we are using is Valentine. All the products in this, well, the colored products are Bioseaweed gel. Now we are coming in with lemon, and then you're just going to paint in the bulbs and try to go in a certain order, or else you might find when you get to the end you have two of the same color beside each other and it just doesn't look that appealing when that happens. So you just, try to make a pattern. That's all I'm saying. We had the evergreen there again. Now we had blueberry, and I believe the purple was merry-go-round. And now for the fun part, to make them glow, we are using glow powder from solarcolordust.com. This company has so much cool stuff, guys. They have color changing powders, they have the thermal powders, they have the new, the mood ring liquid gel. They've had that stuff like for so long before it even became popular. They have all your pigments that you need in such awesome quality. So check this company out. They don't specialize in nail art. They specialize in art, and they're top quality products. So honestly, I'm going to put I'll put a link to their website in my description and check them out. I think they're a US company. And yeah, they're awesome. They got glitters. They got so much stuff. Like they probably even have a lot more than last time I was there. So what I did was I just mixed the glow powder in with some builder gel. And then once you lay it down, because this is a self-leveling gel, you just got to wait for it to level out. And then you're going to use your brush to maneuver the product into the shape that you want. So here I am mixing in the blue. I'm just picking it up with my brush just to show you how really thick the product becomes when you mix in the glow powder. And a good maneuver, I don't know, is to twirl your brush in circles to get the gel into a ball-like shape for your bulb. You want it to be bulbous. Here we're coming in with transparent green and then the transparent violet. My favorites of the glow powders are the transparent ones. You can just do a lot more with them, I find. The texture of the powder, I would say, is a little bit more grittier than an acrylic. So it does make your gel have a gritty feel to it. If you want to use it to paint over the entire nail, you do have to encapsulate this product for sure. And so after that, to make them look more like light bulbs, we're coming in with Akzentz Shine-on, and then we're only going to paint that over top of the bulb. The rest of the nail already has the matte top coat, remember that? So this is the only other top coat that we will be applying for this design, except for the next step, actually. There's one more step. Once you add the top coat over top of the bulb, it really makes it look like a real light bulb, especially in real life. It's pretty awesome. I advise you guys to definitely try this out. So now, if you didn't notice, the nails also have a little icicle effect, and to do that, I also used the Akzentz Shine-on because this top coat does not have a tacky layer. And then to give it the frosted look, before we cured, we sprinkled on some clear acrylic powder. You can use any clear acrylic. This is the only one I have. I don't really use acrylic. I only use it for nail art. Then after you cure, you're going to wipe that off. And then here are the nails finished and glowing. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.